Hello, Odd Job Doer, and today's little job here is about garage door openers, right? And how sometimes they break. And I could have probably ordered a kit here to replace some of the parts. What has wronged with this one here? So you look up top there, you can see right there in the middle there's a missing sprocket. This is chain drive, and that's where the sprocket went, and it just broke one day, I guess. And everything else works, just doesn't grab the chain to move it. So, first thing before we get to that job though, is I'm going to do a little maintenance on this garage door. Part of the thing is, when you have garage doors, you want to take some lube, like silicone or lithium grease maybe spray, and spray it inside here, and sometimes on the wheels, but you can't really get that. I don't do the track, right? I don't spray the track because that could give you issues with it later. But you might do it on the hinges too, depending on what kind of hinges you have. So you can see there's some wear here. Alright, so spray some grease in there. And the last but not least thing is adjust the balance of the door. And so when you have a door like this that rolls up and down, rule of thumb normally is that you want to be able to lift it up about, waist height or so. And it's a little tough, and then you let go of it kind of it kind of sits there, right? So that's probably not too bad, but on this one here I'm going to adjust it because this is the easy kind. You have a spring up yonder here. See that spring there? And it comes down to a device over here like this. And this device here, if I move that out of the way, has a thing there for a hex head. So, let me get my drill here, and I'll, alright, so this here comes with, when you install the garage door, it comes with a hex key that actually fits, I think, in this deal up here. And you use a drill to tension it, because it takes a long time twisting. And I believe it's clockwise, puts tension on it, so it helps to lift the door. And if you don't have that hex key or drill, well, you're kind of hosed to start with. But if you're just doing a little bit of extra maintenance to it here, you can use a socket. This is a 7/16 socket. So I'm just grinding away at it here to get a little more tension. So let me get on that there some more. Right, this is the size of my extension wand. It's like that, right? Anyways, so I'm gonna get on that some more. And then we'll get to the lube part. We got that adjusted pretty good, I think. So we got this here lube stuff here, and just kind of put it in here. And give it a bit of a spray. That's a bit much of a spray. We'll do that to the different points there. And also up there on the spring, give that a spray. Alright, something like that. What else we got here? On the dark side here, up on the part where the wire hooks up. Yeah, this is like wasps repellent or something like this. Is strong stuff. And spray. Hinges. No hinges now. The wheels. No, you can get maybe right behind them here. Right up in there. Spray. And yeah, so I'll dance around the rest of this garage here on this door and spray them parts. Now this here seems to be a plastic buffer. Make sure spray is good for plastic. And yeah, you might want to lubricate this part up in here too. Alright, so got some stuff lubed up there, and the door itself, like I said, I did the balancing part of it a little bit, and let's see how it lifts up here. Get the spray off my hands. Alrighty. Yep. Up and down. And now that seemed to me require the same amount of force, lifting it up and down. If you have to actually put force to push it down, that means you need to go back up to your adjusting pulley, works right up in here, and go counterclockwise on it. Counterclockwise. Now, this here is for this type of adjustments for the spring. If you have the other kind that you have to usually take 2 rods and do it by hand, that's dangerous. You might want to call someone else to do that, because you can get hurt. Bad, supposedly. It basically looked like just, instead of having that contraption up there, it looks something like this right here. That part there, you don't do on this one. That stays tight, but on the other ones you do. You get a rod in there, and you loosen the pin and you hold it, and then you use rod and rod, rod and rod. Alright, so this right here is basically has been adjusted. I will spray more lube at the different joints on this thing. I don't want to bore anyone. Oh, and I guess the other thing is they'll do is the track. Now what I do with the track here is I'll just take a cloth, paper towel, what have you, and you know, make sure it's pretty thick and just run it like so inside the track. And then take a look at it. Right? A little dusty, but no metal, no shavings in there. So I just do that to, there we go. Just do that to get the track clean. Yeah, a little bit dustier, dirty grease. So, that is it. Don't grease your tracks. Just grease the pulleys, the springs, and the joints. Alright. And then carry on. Now, we're done with the maintenance, and I'll get to the install in the next video of a new garage door opener to replace the old one. So stay tuned for that, or click on it or something later. Right out.